I'm working on my shed here, as you may have seen on my last video, and I still got a lot more to do. I still got some more walls to put up. I'm out of breath. This has been something else. I haven't worked like this in a long time. Doing this construction type stuff it gets pretty tough, especially on me. By the way, too, I haven't showed a lot about the house lately because Ebert, my friend, has been really sick and in the hospital. My mother's been sick, and I don't know if you know her or not, but she lives with me, and she's been sick, and been taking her for tests and everything else. And boy, this last winter was nothing but just pure rain, and it's so beautiful. If you can see here, I mean, it's just beautiful today. But tomorrow we're supposed to get 3 inches of rain and thunderstorms again. But finally got to where I can even drive in the yard. I'd gotten my truck stuck out there, and oh, I don't know what else to say, guys. It's just that it's just little at a time, you know. And Bert and I have been doing all the work ourselves, but Bert's got a heart condition, and he's having some problems, got some blockage, and which is not good. And he's on oxygen now, so he's having a hard time. And hired a boy, and man, he's just an excellent worker, but he goes back to the riverboats Monday, so I won't see him for a while. But anyway, I want to let you know we're still working on the house. It still likes, you know, it's all on the inside, of course, and I've got about half the house, the full length and half the house on this side done. But the problem is the back side is going to be even tougher because that's where the sewer's at, the bathrooms, the kitchen, the whole 9 yards. So I've got to get some holes cut in there right now to put some air conditioners in. I hope to do that maybe this week and get them opened up and give me some air conditioners ordered. I'm just going to get some window units, no bigger than the house is. But we didn't do anything on the garden this year because last year it was just, oh gosh, the deer and groundhogs and everything else just ate everything up. And so Bert and I decided we wouldn't struggle with that this year. We're mainly concerned about getting this house done, and then we've got a fence to put up, and that should keep all the varmints out next year. So anyway, guys, I wanted to make a quick one and let you know that I'm still alive. Thanks for watching.